One of the things that we like to do for our clients is set up the Amazon S3 sync. The reason why we do that is we just like to get the backup files off of the local host for whatever site we're backing up. The reason why is because if there is a catastrophic failure of the hard drive or the machine or whatever that the client is being hosted on, we don't want all of those backup files to also be lost. And typically we work with really good hosting partners, but if it's a client that you didn't really have any control over that, then you may be with a subpar host, and who knows how long it would take for them to get a site back up and running. So we use the Amazon S3 sync just to ensure that those files can easily be gotten. So you would first have to go to Amazon Web Services and sign up for an Amazon S3 account. As part of doing that, they will provide you with an access key ID and a secret access key. And those typically are long strings. So I'm not going to enter those in here because I don't want to give mine away. But then what you'll find is you can create a bucket name. So you can create a bucket that's called whatever. So maybe it's the name of your studio, and then you've got a folder inside of that. Now the bucket, you may be limited on what you can actually create, what name you can actually use. But inside of that, you should be fine. So you could create another folder inside of your bucket called clients, and then a folder for each of your clients, and then have the backups in there. When you do that, then what you'll find is that you still have the folders for database and files in each of those. So you can see here I've got a bucket for BFDS. We've got folders for database and files, and there are files inside of that. So obviously this is working, but that's a really good way of getting some redundancy in your backup files so that you know that those files are safe.